Your partner or your next of kin doesn't have an automatic right to make financial and health decisions on your behalf. This is a mistake I see many people make, and in fact, over 60% of couples think that if they have a joint bank account and their home is in joint names, the other partner can legally make decisions for them, but this isn't necessarily the case. If you lost mental capacity, your loved ones wouldn't be able to make decisions for you. They wouldn't be able to access your bank accounts, manage your property, make decisions on your medical care, decide where you live, the list just goes on. Even joint accounts can be frozen to protect the interests of the person who is incapacitated. Now, the only way to ensure they could is through something called a lasting power of attorney, but an attorney can only be appointed whilst somebody still has capacity, which is why it is so important to sort these things sooner rather than later, because waiting until you're older and you think you are more likely to need an attorney might just result in it being too late. A lasting power of attorney is a legal document that allows you to appoint someone to make decisions on your behalf if you can no longer do so for yourself. There are two main types. There's one for property and financial affairs, so this is where you appoint someone to manage tasks like paying bills, accessing bank accounts and remortgaging your home. There's also one for health and welfare, so this is for decisions about your medical care. Everyone over the age of 18 should consider a lasting power of attorney. They're not just for when you're older and when you've started to lose your marbles like people tend to think, because actually there are many reasons why somebody could lose capacity at a much younger age. You could be in a serious car accident, skiing accident for example, you could have a serious fall or a heart attack or stroke. And I know it's not nice to think about, but these things do happen, and actually they can happen to any of us at any age. That's why lasting powers of attorney are important for everyone to consider, no matter your age, and especially if you have family or any financial commitments that would still need managing if you were unable to. If you want to learn more, then visit our Knowledge Centre or see our other resources. If you're ready to discuss putting in place a lasting power of attorney now, then use the buttons to book in a call with our estate planning partner company. You can also reach out through the contact page and we'll put you in touch.